Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by freeing RAM and GPU memory so Roblox has room to run. Open Task Manager and end high memory processes. Once done, restart your computer to clear cached allocations and RAM. Make sure to disable overlays and background recorders because they reserve resources silently. If you use a browser, close tabs consuming lots of memory. These actions immediately reduce memory pressure and prevent low memory flags when Roblox launches, so you can proceed to adjust settings with a cleaner resource state. You now change Roblox and system settings to reduce memory use. In Roblox, switch graphics mode to manual and lower graphics quality to between 1 and 3 to cut RAM and texture cache. Next, prefer 720p or windowed mode, which reduces frame buffer size. Make sure to lower particle and texture settings inside each game. If Roblox still spikes, close other GPU-intensive apps and verify your GPU drivers are up to date. These adjustments lower working set and prevent the engine from allocating excess memory. You finish by validating the fixes and handling remaining issues. Reboot one more time and launch Roblox while watching Task Manager to confirm memory use stays stable. If low memory warnings continue, clear the Roblox cache folder and reinstall the client to remove corrupted assets. Also check your virtual memory or page file and increase it to about 1.5 times your RAM so Windows can swap when needed. If crashes still occur, note error timing and repeat with a clean boot to isolate conflicting software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.